My room's a mess, but I've got a blue box to open so we can clean our room later. Hey friends, welcome back to my sewing room. My name is Becca, and in today's video, we're going to open the August 2020 Sew Sampler box from Fat Quarter Shop. So, before we dive in, let me please just ask you, if you're not already subscribed to this channel and you like what you see here, consider hitting that subscribe button down below. And that's the only play I'm going to make with you. We're going to dive right into this box because I don't want to waste any time. Okay, see, the tape is still sealed. And because I never come prepared, we're just going to cut it with a pair of tweezers. A girl's got to do what a girl's got to do. Popping it open, the theme this month is Rise and Shine. On the back of this card is a coupon code for 30% off of It's So Emma foundation paper pads, which is actually kind of cool because on my live tonight, I'm going to be using the Log Cabin foundation paper piecing pad from Fat Quarter Shop to make a log cabin table runner. If you're not able to join me for the live tonight, the video will be available for replay and you can catch up with it later. Okay, we got some goodies. Take a look at what we've got in here. The first thing that I see is this little pamphlet that tells us all the items that are down inside, but we don't want to look at it because we don't want to ruin the surprise. So, whoop! The first item that I see is a rotating cutting mat. This is a Kimberly Cuts rotating cutting mat. It looks like it measures 5.5 inches on the lines, but it's actually going to be a little bit bigger than that, so it's probably closer to 6 inches. The pamphlet says that this retails for $14.98. Holy cow. Let's just take it out and see how well it spins. Not too bad. It spins okay, and I really like that color blue. My only problem with rotating mats is they're never big enough. But this would be really cool for squaring up or cutting down some really teeny tiny little blocks. The next item I have is a little package of quilting betweens by Dritz, and I guess that means that they're needles. I don't know, I don't hand sew. But the package looks like this, and the pamphlet says that this item retails for $1.48. Ooh! More foundation paper piecing. We have a package of crazy quilt paper by Lori Holt of Be In My Bonnet. There's 42 pieces in this package. You can see it looks like that, and when you look at the back, it gives you an idea of what those pieces look like. So the idea here is that you can use each one of these pieces to make a block that looks like that. When you put all the blocks together, it looks like a crazy quilt. This package of foundation paper piecing papers, say that 10 times fast, retails for $4.48, and I will probably be getting more of these. The next item in the box that I see is our Block of the Month program. Sew Sampler runs a Block of the Month program and includes a pattern for each block starting in April and ending in March. This month, we've got the recipe for block number 5. The theme is the Greatest Hits album, so let me just show you what the block looks like this month. There it is. Don't worry, if you want to do this Block of the Month program, you are totally welcome to join us. Even if you are not a Sew Sampler member, you can pick up each one of these little block patterns for $4.98 over at fatquartershop.com. Okay, the next item that I see is actually our pattern, and the pattern is called Crazy Daisy Quilt Pattern. It looks like to use this, you're going to need that crazy paper packet from Lori Holt, and then 2 charm squares plus some background and some binding. This is what the quilt will look like when it's finished. There are 2 versions included with this pattern, either a lap version, which will measure 45.5 by 45.5, or the twin version, which will measure 63 inches, 63.5 by 81.5. This pattern is a Fat Quarter Shop exclusive for the Sew Sampler, so you won't be able to buy this pattern on the website. But if you were able to buy it, it would cost you $9.98. And then, of course, the last item in here is the fabric. This month, we've got not 1, but 2 charm packs. We've got 2 charm packs. They are featuring the fabric Backyard Blooms by Allison Harris for Wyndham Fabrics. If you want to see what the fabric looks like, you can take a look right here. I'm showing you a screenshot of this entire fabric line from the listing for this fabric over on fatquartershop.com. These 2 charm packs retail for $19.96. Okay, guys, that's the Sew Sampler box for August 2020. Quick, dirty, and in a hurry. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you thought of this month's box. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Hey, and while you're here, subscribe to the channel. I go live every Friday night at 9 p.m. and we do an entire sewing project from start to finish, and I'd love to see you there. See you guys all on Friday night.